and welcome to a brand new episode of Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. Now the year 2020 has been a year of uncertainties, but the only thing that has been certain in the year 2020 is the feeling that we are going to bounce back. Things are going to come back to normal, and thankfully things are on their way to recovery. Now, when this whole pandemic situation happened, a lot of industries had to almost shut down. One of the biggest ones to be hit by this pandemic was definitely the events and exhibition industry. And a lot of people thought that there's no chance that this industry is going to revive, at least in this year 2020. But due to the dynamics of the place that we live in, UAE was one of the first countries that gave an opportunity to the events and exhibition industry to come back. And one of the first exhibitions to happen in the UAE was Numaish. Now, this of course has been around. People know about Numaish. This is an exhibition where you bring Indian brands and the people of the UAE get a chance to, shop for their favorite designers. And this happened some time back. There was almost a 50% discount that people could avail, and people of course went crazy about this. We went there and this is what happened.
Hey, welcome to Numaish Exhibitions. I think we are the first exhibition, or I'm sure we are the first exhibition which is during COVID times. We have very limited designers, but Numaish as a brand has been here for 8 years. We have done around 50 shows. We have had around 65,000 shoppers. More than thousands of designers come in from all over India, Pakistan, mainly Southeast, Asian region. This is the first COVID exhibition. We decided that the customer needs, or the shopper needs, good price points, good brands. So we got the stock from the designers and we are selling it for them here. Mainly what we have done is we have done a mix of fusion, western wear, ethnic, because we think there's not too much of socializing happening in Dubai now. So we thought might as well we get something which is fusion, western, where people can wear it again. So it's a kind of a mixed kind of collection. It's not very heavy, it's not very light. We have done a fusion. I think the USP is that we get affordable designers at great prices, because we feel shoppers still need to wear good brands, but they don't want to spend too much money. It's a very price conscious market now, especially now during COVID times. The market is very, very conscious, and we also have to understand the audience needs.
Inayat is the pride of my family. It is a female-owned entrepreneurial brand based here in Dubai. We've been with Numaish for 3 years. We love doing the exhibition circle. We sell amazing Indian party wear, wedding wear, everything for every personality. So it started with Kashmiri shawls and stoles with pashminas, and now it's expanded out to the outfit, your saris, your suits, your something chic for, an event with your friends, jewelry, Putli bags. Basically, you can get a head-to-toe festive party look from Inayat.
I'm the founder of the brand label RM. It's a fashion destination jewelry. I am with Numaish from the last 5 years. No, I'm not in all the exhibitions. I'm always there. And today in this special deals for designer deals, I'm getting a lot of discounts, a lot of new collection which is on amazing discounts. So very happy with the response. Clients are loving it, and like the way Numaish has done the social distancing, so everybody has the comfort of shopping.